everybody. Big Eel here. I'm gonna cook myself up some dinner. Hope everybody's doing okay. Here's my little stove, little thing. I'll detail Pam, frying pan, Pam, and doing burgers tonight. Light the stove. Burger in the pan, pan on the stove. I got a little bag here for the rest of the burgers. It fits, should fit. Yeah, and that's basically about it. I got my burger, got my beer. My beer, I can have a little Pinot Grigio, go with my burger. And I'm gonna light a fire after dinner and sit around the fire. Okay, I think that sucker's done. I'd barbecue, but I mean, I don't have a great, I can't do it on that. Figure out how I can barbecue it. Try and get some kind of grate or something I can put over the fire, and this is just as good. A lot quicker probably too. Like I said, I got bread instead of buns, but that don't matter. Handy dandy little everything has to be compact when you're doing this stuff because you don't have a lot of room. Went over next door to get the corkscrew. Mike, nice guy, 2 little girls. He had one. It's one thing I'll have to put in there. Here. Clean. Oh, perfect fit. Cheers. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Seriously. That's what I ran into town for. Paper towels. Cups. Wine. Beer. Usually you don't drink. I don't know. It just felt like it. Usually when I have a drink, it's just when I feel like it, which isn't very often. I think I get used to this solo camping. It's nice having somebody, but my friend Colleen's supposed to drop up tomorrow and visit me. That's nice. Make her lunch. Talk for a bit, but you get used to being by yourself. Being content by yourself. I tell you, you got a lot of time to think. Which is great. As long as you're thinking positively and not negatively. And, you know, I'm trying. Not perfect. Get down sometimes, but try it. The one thing when you're solo, there's no stress.